What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Gas, which has gone through a major increase in value. As you guys can see, a huge green candlestick can only mean one thing: a major increase in value, and it has gone up 114% in the last 24 hours, making it $5.73. However, on the Binance website, we do have a slightly different figure. As you can see, it's gone up 134% and it's currently trading at $6.20. So we're going to be looking at what's causing the different price range, and as you can see on this website, we've also got $6.26. so that's what we're going to be going through. Is it a crypto worth investing into? Is it a scam? Is it legit? Can it give you a decent amount of return on investment for the short term and long term as well? And essentially covering both buyers and sellers point of view. But I'm pretty sure most people who are watching this video are looking to buy it because it's just gained value out of nowhere over the last couple of hours, so it's getting a lot of attention right now. So most people are just discovering this crypto right now, so there's pretty much more buyers than sellers right now as well. So yeah, that's what we're going to be going through, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, looking at how high this crypto can go, or is it even worth investing into the crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 2%, which is not looking too good. However, we do have Gas as one of the top gainers. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain just about 4%. Over the last day, 74%, over the week 83%, and over the month a massive 118%. But clearly guys, most of the pump did come from the last couple of hours compared to the last 4 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 5,400%, making it $466 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Gas. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it has been getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning more and more investors, and hence why the trading volume has gone up like crazy. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Gas, which is here in purple at $2.94. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at $6.19, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. And again, when a MACD indicator looks this steep, that can only mean one thing, guys: it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing it going in a positive direction and this steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. However, I'm not expecting it to pump further over the coming 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. What I am expecting is for it to drop back down in value below the $5 mark towards the end of the day today. This is what I'm expecting. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to pump further as well to about $6.57 again. Sorry, not 7 cents, $7, somewhere around that price range. But again, it is very likely this evening to slowly and steadily start dropping in value below the $5 mark. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking very bullish, very positive, guys, and looking quite steep as well, meaning once again it is not realistic. So over the coming days, I am also expecting the crypto to start dropping in value. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, we should be back down to around the $3.50 to $4 mark. Trading in between that target is what I'm expecting. However, That does not mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's going to pump, red days when it's going to drop, but the overall outcome will, majority will be on the red side, meaning an overall drop in value. And again, this is not a crypto that's been around. I mean, it may have been around for long, but not many people knew about it. They're only getting to know about it because of the major pump that has gone through. So yeah, and it's pumped up so much that it's only right that it takes a little step back, take a little breather before it pumps back up in value over the long run. However, over the next couple of hours and days, as mentioned, I'm expecting the crypto to drop back down in value to around the $3.50 to $4 mark. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks still looking very bullish, very steep, meaning once again it is not realistic. So guys, yes, I'm expecting it to overall drop back down in value over the coming weeks. So let's say over the next 6 to 8 weeks, by late March, early April 2023, I'm expecting it to trade around the $5 mark again. Over the next week, it's likely to drop down to $3.50 and then slowly and steadily gain value, potentially to about $4.50 to $5 by late March and early April as well. I'm not expecting any major pumps, any major bull runs from this crypto, unless of course they've got a major partnership or a collaboration that can have a potential pump or crash on this crypto. Then of course I will keep you guys updated, but at the moment nothing like that is predicted. But yes, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming weeks and days and weeks as well, before hopefully it starts to slowly and steadily gain value. But again, anything like that I will make sure to keep you guys updated on. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we literally broke out from the red zone earlier on a couple of hours ago, where it hit $7.61, and the trade and the resistance target was $7.53, meaning it did break out. However, there was very likely that it was going to drop back down into the red zone, and that is exactly what's happened. It has dropped back down into the red zone, and it's likely to drop down further as well, drop further down into the red zone, into the lower part, and then slowly and steadily gain value and potentially hit the resistance target of $7.53 towards mid-year or even in the second half of the year. Again, can't really predict as of right now because the pump was out of nowhere in the space of a few hours. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto called Gas, guys. Again, I wouldn't recommend investing into it right now, only because it's very, very risky. I would wait for it to drop back down if you really want to invest, but for the short term or long term, I personally wouldn't invest. But again, it's entirely up to you guys if you guys want to invest or not. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And also, it's free to subscribe, guys, so why not go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.